Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your cash reserves with Ally Bank. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To upgrade your cash reserves with Ally Bank, start by visiting the Ally Bank website. Look for the Open an Account option prominently displayed on the homepage. Click on it to begin the account setup process. Choose the type of account you want to open. For cash reserves, consider options like a high-yield savings account or a money market account. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Next, provide your employment and financial information as prompted. After entering your details, review the terms and conditions of the account. If you agree to the terms, proceed by clicking Continue or Next. You may need to make an initial deposit to fund your new account. Select your preferred funding method, such as linking a bank account or using a check. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transfer. Once your account is active, log into your Ally Bank account using your new credentials. Explore features like setting up automatic transfers to grow your cash reserves consistently. Consider setting up alerts to track your account balance and interest accrual. Take advantage of Ally Bank's budgeting tools to manage your cash flow more effectively. Review your account regularly to ensure it's aligned with your financial goals. This process will help you efficiently upgrade your cash reserves with Ally Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.